Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Side Hustle Keisha. You guys know I post videos, tips, and ways to make money from home, amazing job opportunities, whether it's full or part-time. And I'm also going to tell you about cool side hustles. But I'm doing a series, and I started this series because I see so many people looking for opportunities that they can do from home along with their full-time job or full-time career. They're looking for something that they're passionate about, that would match with what they're passionate about, that they could do from home, whether they start a company from scratch or join an amazing opportunity. So I'm going to be talking about opportunities that I find that's under $200 that you could start like as soon as you sign up online. You could start today. So I'm introducing ones that I know personally, that I've had a relationship with in the last couple of months first, because those are the ones that either I've participated in as far as purchasing, or I've done in the past, or I know someone who does it and makes great money and is growing their business ridiculously. So I'm only going to introduce you to the best. So this opportunity is only just $1 to join. So let me tell you about it. I met this wonderful lady named Denise, and Denise Mesh. I met her online. She is friends with one of my son's friends' mothers. So my son goes to school with a young boy, and his mom hosted a 31 party, and it was all virtual, and we connected there. And I found out about this amazing company. They have a wonderful accessory handbags. I mean, they're great totes. They're cute as punch to me, and I feel like you can match this up with any style. Any person's style could be matched up with something that 31 has. So right now they have a cool opportunity where you can join for $1, you guys. So let me just tell you about a little bit about 31. Just give you just some basic information on who they are and what they do. Then we'll talk about the opportunity. Okay. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification button so every time I upload a video, like, you're in the know. I want to keep you guys in the know. If this isn't something for you, maybe it's for somebody else that you know with great and amazing skills. Okay. So 31 carries accessories. Okay, so you can freshen up with the new arrivals. New spring styles are here, so start your season off right. So they have $1 digital kit, you guys. You can join and start your business for $1. Join our team of consultants for just $1, only during March. Y'all gotta jump on this before March is over. So you shop our top collections. Look at, they carry luggage, accessories, bags, home organization, on the go organization for your car, your trunk. If you are into gardening, look at this. Okay, they have all types of bags, and they're super duper cute. And this is already calling me, because you guys know that's my initial K, and it's army fatigue, and I love that. That's a great work tote. That's cute. I'm gonna have to call Denise, because I have been having my eye on this bag. I really want to get organized with my wallet. It's a wristlet, but it's also a wallet. We'll look at that later. Okay, but I want to tell you about the opportunity, and the reason why. I know a lot of you in multi-level marketing in these companies had to shift, and a lot of people shifted very well because they got online. They're using all the platforms. But these two ladies that I talked about, if you looked at my previous video, I talked about another home-based business. They're using Facebook to get new customers, and they're using Facebook to have these wonderful virtual parties, and that makes sense, right? So, and they're bringing fun. I mean, you get a couple of your girlfriends, you already know how it's going to go, right? You buy something, they buy something, we all buy something, right? So let's just get into 31, and let's learn a little bit more about the opportunity. Okay, so you definitely want to come here, check out Denise Mesh, her website. It has all the information about if you just want to shop, if you want to join the opportunity. It's going to tell you a little bit about everything. And right now, you guys, it's only $1. So right now it is $1. Your business, you're in business. Access training resources through your consultant website. Join now. You would click here. 25% commission, flexible hours. That means you work when you want to. 25% product discounts, digital marketing tools, promote your business online with beautiful branded content. You don't have to worry about that, especially if you're not tech savvy, or that tech savvy to create your own, you know, brand content, they're going to do it for you. On online sales training, learn how to start and grow your business step by step from anywhere, plus additional exclusive 31 consultant perks like the chance to earn trips and free products and more. Sisterhood and community, connect with our community of inspiring, supportive women. So the small investment but big possibilities. I like that. So what you could do is just join for $1, and you can start digitally, and that's like a no risk, right? But if you start making money, you can level up and get your kit. So there's a ultimate goal getter kit. So the ultimate goal getter kit includes everything from our signature fan phase kit plus 7 additional styles. You pick your prints and 5 personalization designs. So you guys, when you do the 179, you get to pick what you have, because see, when your girlfriends see it, they be like, girl, where you get that from? Oh girl, this is my business. Then hey, there you go, you got to sell, right? So how much could you earn? 31 consultants make competitive 25% commissions on all sales from day one. So from start, you're gonna get 25. Okay. So sales per month, you're gonna get an extra. If you do 2,000, you're gonna get that 500. So here's a breakdown. What you would get if you do these numbers in sales every month, right? Meet our consultants. Hear from others who have joined 31. Okay, so you can come here and read the consultants, why they got in the business, how they're going for them. If you want to know more, our mission is simple to empower, support women by providing opportunity, learn more, give back to women and their families, is who we are. See how we do it, right? So you would just click learn here. So here are some of the frequently asked questions. I'll go through that too, so you guys know what is the difference between an insider and a consultant. So let's find out what's an insider and consultant. Being an insider is fun and free. Insiders host parties, give friends and family a chance to shop 31 products with qualifying party. Insiders can earn discount, free products, exclusive items, and credits that can be redeemed to purchase 31 products. Consultants are independent business owners authorized to sell 31 products for a commission. 31 consultants earn income by holding in-person or virtual parties, taking orders from their personalized website, and enrolling new consultants to grow their team. Why do I have to purchase a kit to sign up as a consultant? So the next question is here, why do I have to purchase a kit to sign up as a consultant? So purchasing a kit provides you with the business essentials and establish your consultant account, enabling access to training resources, sales and marketing materials, and your very own personalized website. So there's a difference. How can I start selling 31 products? Become a consultant and start selling in 3 easy steps. Click join us, complete the new consultant online enrollment process, and order your kit. With your personalized 31 website, you can start selling 31 products the same day. That's why I said you could start for $1, start selling the same day. Is it beneficial to have a kit? Absolutely. When you can see, hold, and feel a product, or when you're in the grocery store and you run into your friend you haven't seen in a while, because we sit up here in this pandemic, and you run into somebody in the grocery store, it's like you went out for a night on the town and you see your girlfriend and you got your bag. You're promoting, okay? And if you're about it, you're going to share with everybody you come in contact with. You're going to smile, even though they probably can't see it through the mask. But you're going to work that bag. And if you have a mask that says 31 and your business name on it, you're working it there. And if you have a shirt on, so listen, I'm trying to tell you what to do so you can be successful in this business. If this is your thing, if you got a fetish for bags, cute tote bags, cute organizing equipment, this might be the thing for you. So you can start as soon as possible. So let's just jump over and be nosy. We're going to go into these. We're going to go to her page, her Facebook page, where she has a group. This is her personal page. We're going to jump on over to her Facebook page, where she has a group of people who are in her 31 spring launch. And what she does is post new information about different items that are on sale, new pieces, specials, collections that have come up, and you can build your own bundle, get 50% off any item. And these things will allow her to, and then she's doing giveaways here, but you want to partner with amazing leaders who are doing the work and have gone through the beginning stages of growing this business and who can lead you and guide you through the journey, right? And I always want to share opportunities of amazing people that I come across working for amazing companies and promoting those brands and making a good side income. Some people are doing it full time. They're not even working another job. And those are great skilled people, because if you can do it and quit your full-time job, you have worked yourself into most likely your dream opportunity, your dream position, something that you're passionate about, right? So I just want to get over here and tell you guys about 31 because I thought it was amazing. One, because they have cute stuff. Let's go over here and be nosy real quick. Let's go shopping. Let's go to utility bags. Let's go to best sellers so you guys get to see some of the stuff that they have. So I found out about 31 through the virtual party. I think someone else had shared it with me, but I never ended up purchasing anything. But the virtual party, I found out about how all these amazing products, backpacks, this would be a great bag for mom. I mean, they all have, you can use them. They're so versatile. Look at them. The large utility tote, great for your trunk. Cute totes. Fold away totes. This is cute. I like things with compartments, especially if you have to, when we go back to work, if you have to travel from the parking lot into your job, or if you have to travel at home, if you have to park far and walk to your building, or these totes are amazing. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna let you go after I show you this this wallet that I want. I think they're calling it a wallet. Might be more like a wristlet. I want to be organized. I was listening to one of people that I follow on Facebook, and they were like, you need to even put your money in your wallet and your cards in your wallet neatly. You need to have a different relationship with money. And this is what I'm going to do when I get this tote. I'm going to have a different relationship with my credit cards, with my money, with my ID, with my gift cards. I'm going to lay them in that wallet so nice and neat. And I'm not going to, with my money, I'm not going to fold it. I'm going to leave it. Sometimes if I have a smaller wallet, I fold it over. I want to leave it laid out because I'm trying to get where the money resides. So I just wanted to share with you guys 31 and let you see some of the products that they carry. If you think that you'd be interested in this opportunity, give Denise a call. I think she would be a great person to lead you and guide you through your journey to 31. And it's $1. Now, if you want to go ahead and join for $170, look at all the good stuff you get for I think it's $179. But again, I promised you that I would find opportunities where you can work, that you can join for under $200, and that's my goal, right? Absolutely. So I hope you guys, if you do end up joining, drop a comment below, let Denise know that Keisha sent you, and you let me know what you think and how is it going for you. Come back and drop a comment below. Encourage another woman who may be passionate about organization, accessories, and tote bags. You know, share in the comments so that they know how it's been going for you. And right now, push that virtual party scene. Grab your friends and come have a 31 spectacular Saturday evening with me, and they can just shop until they drop, and let them bring their wine and let them get on the virtual Zoom and see you and see all the girls getting excited about the different products. And you can do 2 or 3 of these on the weekend and make some real cool side money. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and you jump over and check out the opportunity to join this business and check out Denise. Okay, I think she'd be a great leader. All right, see y'all in my next video. Make sure you drop below in the description box, and you can get Denise's direct link to this opportunity and to her site if you just want to shop or you want to join. Check her out. Also, if you are you have your own business, you're having a hard time, it's been a season, you're looking to get leads for your business, I have a free training below. Make sure you get that. Also, I have, if you're looking for if you want to know what my #1 top business opportunity, what I do that makes me money on a weekly basis, I want you to drop below in the description box and click on the video with called A Business in a Box. Okay, you guys have a great day. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye bye.